Well, mm-hmm. So, NASDAQ 100 wants to be funny and act weird and do whatever the heck it wants to do. It wants to go up, down, left, right, cut a corner, cut a corner. We're just gonna do whatever we want to do. Ah! Oh, you want to do all that, huh? Yeah. See this up here? Mm-hmm. You ain't careful, you gonna be lost, NASDAQ 100. If I were you, I'd get my act together, because guess what? Why didn't y'all put me on gold a long time ago, man? Gold has been really nice. NASDAQ better straighten up, man. Guys, I am officially starting to love gold. NASDAQ better be careful. Guys, man, I'm so mad at y'all. Y'all didn't put me on earlier on gold, man. We're gonna have to have a conversation, man. Guys, I have traded officially gold the last day and a half. I traded gold Tuesday and I traded gold today. Oh my gosh, man. I've been back testing gold since Monday. Actually, since last Friday, man. And boy, do I tell you, I back tested Friday. I back tested till about 4 to 5 hours on Saturday. Back tested Monday. Officially took a trade on gold Tuesday. Back tested some more Wednesday. Took another trade on today, which is Thursday, on gold. Yeah, let's talk about it. All right, man. So let's talk about my funded futures funded account that I had. Yeah, let's talk about that. So Friday, I ended up $300 for the week. I had that account all the way down like $1,200 and brought it all the way back up to break even plus some on $300 and some change. With my funded futures, I've never had of my funded futures account above 500. That's a problem. On Monday, I was wanting to take a trade on gold just to get a feel for it, you know what I'm saying, just to see how it is, man. I misjudged it. I knew what I was doing, but I forgot, man. So Monday, I took a trade on gold, and for some odd reason, I thought I did too many contracts because I thought it was NASDAQ, man. I just keep making the craziest, dumbest, unbelievable mistakes, man, when I trade. I ended up putting so many contracts on gold thinking for some odd reason it was NAS, but it was gold. I was wanting to trade gold. So confusing, man. So yeah, I put too many contracts on gold. I seen a really good setup, but the setup didn't go my way. It was like maybe 4 or 5 ticks away from hitting my take profit, my TP, man, and then it came all the way back down and stopped me out. So I just set the trade and forgot it. I took the trade and then I closed it up, man. Because I had a bunch of work to do and stuff at my job, man. I said, you know what? I'm gonna set it and forget it, man. Didn't bother to double look at it, didn't bother to double check, and yeah, that didn't go so well. Did too many contracts. We ended up losing $1,200 for the day on Monday. So yeah, that sucked because I didn't pay attention, man. I put too many contracts on there. For some odd reason, I forgot that I was trading gold. Gold contracts are a lot different from NASDAQ. Did way too many contracts, man. And yeah, that went bad very quickly. So yeah, we're down like almost $49,000, something like that, man. It was down 49,000, man. So yeah, man, we were down like $49,000 or something like that, man. I can't remember, guys. I just know I lost $1,200 to $1,300. Then traded Tuesday, lost that trade. Traded Wednesday, lost that trade, and then today lost again. Yeah, we blew the account, guys. Down Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I took setups on NASDAQ. I did not trade gold anymore. I started paper trading just to get my contracts right and stuff like that. I was trading GC Monday. I was like, oh my gosh, like I made a huge mistake. I need to be going to micros, man. I quickly learned that after I lost that $1,200-$1,300 on Monday. So now I will not be trading GC. I'll be trading MGC, micro gold. So yeah, man, that didn't go too well. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is today. I took some pretty good setups, man. It just, the freaking NASDAQ 100 zones on supply and demand are not holding at all, man. I got some good news. But yeah, we blew the My Funded Futures funded account, guys. RIP to My Funded Futures funded account. So I was like, you know what? Tuesday also. All right, so now we're going to back up. So Tuesday, after making that mistake Monday on GC, I switched to micro gold, and I decided to open up a Top Step combine. All right, so these are the trades that I'm getting ready to show you that I took on Top Step combine, man. And let me tell you what, man, after practicing, after putting in the time, back testing gold, micro gold at that, boy, the zones hold. It's like I could take really any supply and demand setup, man. It's at least going to hit a 1-to-1. I mean, it's not perfect, but all the trades that I've taken, guys, all them zones have been holding at least to a 1-to-1. Oh, let me show y'all what I'm talking about, man. This is bananas. All right, so guys, what you're looking at right now is micro gold on futures, man. Boy, let me tell you something, boy. Gold is looking really nice, y'all, man. So on October 1st, I noticed on gold at around about 7:25 a.m. there was a semi-demand setup. Only reason I had drew my line right here is because it seemed like there was no gaps right here. So this gap had touched that gap, this gap had touched this gap, this gap had touched this gap, and then there was this long, huge gap that was right here. I said, you know what? If the market decides to come back, it did go up, but then it came back down, respected the 34. Then it kind of went up again and came all the way back down to this zone, man. I said, you know what? If gold decides to come back to this zone that I drew up, oh yeah, we gonna take that trade, man. So I decided, guys, on Tuesday, after having that malfunction Monday, I went on and opened up a Top Step combine account. I said, you know what, I'm gonna just trade it on Tuesday. I had bought it Monday and then decided to trade it on Tuesday. I said, you know what, yeah, we'll just wait, cause I lost $1,300 and I just want another combine account or whatever. I didn't want to go immediately in and get mad and stuff like that. I said, we're just gonna wait until Tuesday to trade. So this was the setup that I seen, guys. So as you can see, man, oh my gosh, I decided to do 20 contracts. That means 2 minis. If I was on GC, that would be 2 minis. On micros, it's 20 micros. So I decided to trade 20 micros, which is 2 minis on regular GC. So yeah, we traded 20 micros on this trade, man. And this trade hit decently. It hit pretty fast. So it took about almost 7 minutes, because that's the 5-minute candle right here, and then this was the next candle right here, man. So yeah, it took about 7 minutes or something like that, man. But yeah, we hit our profit target of, I was aiming under $1,500, because you can't make more than $1,500 with Top Step. So I made about $1,484 and some change. I said, woohoo, okay, baby. All right, I see you gold, man. Let's go, man. So yeah, ended up later this day it traded my funded futures on NASDAQ that went kapooey. So let's go to Wednesday. I decided not to trade Wednesday with this account. Wednesdays suck. Starting not to like trading Wednesdays, man. As you can see, there really wasn't a decent setup that I was very confident in. Here's one right here, but shoot, at the break of candle, let's see what that would have been, man, had we took that little small trade right there, guys. If we would have took that small little trade, we would have put our stop loss at about 2-0. Yeah, because I normally like to put it at the bottom of the candle, man. Let's see what we, man, bro. Look, this is what I'm telling y'all. We still, look, I was thinking about this, but I didn't take it. I didn't take it Wednesday because I'm starting out to like Wednesdays. As you can see, guys, we have break of structure. Break of structure. All these candles is breaking structure over here in London session. So it went up, went down, went up, another break of structure, guys. Man, y'all look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Gold hitting almost 1-to-1s, man. It's like a given, man. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but man, it's like it's at least gonna hit a 1-to-1, man. Here's a daggone demand setup right here, guys. Break of structure, breaking all these highs right here, man. Keep going up. As you can see, this green candle comes back down, wicks this area right here. And I normally like to put my trade in at the break of the candle and put my stop loss a little bit below or at the very end of the candle. I didn't take this trade, but look, guys, we easily could have hit a 1-to-1. Man, y'all see this? Gold be giving me my trades like I want to, man, cause Nas be tripping, man. Look at this, guys. This is an easy 1-to-1. I would have risked $100, so that means my stop loss is at 2.0. So that means I was willing to risk $200. I could have hit my $200 easily. That's what I'm saying, man. Like this, man, gold, man. Gold is the way, man. Right now, anyway, cause Nas is tripping. So I decided to take another trade Thursday. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, guys, if we look now, this happened, when is this? This is September 30th when this was created on London session gold. So this demand zone I had drawn up, and I said if the market comes back to that, I'm gonna take that trade. Tell me it be hitting, boy. Somewhere in here, man. I can't remember, guys. I was somewhere in here somewhere. And I said I'm gonna get in aggressive. I'm gonna put it was just a combine anyway. Had it been a funded account, I would have put my lot size, I would have shortened my lot size, but I was trying to pass this thing because I'm already, I need another $1,500 in order to pass, man. So as you guys can see, man, I went in aggressive, man. I put a 4-point stop loss. As soon as it hit, boom, it came down, and it took off to the moon. And it hit, no, actually, yep, it hit my take profit. I did 2 minis again. So I think I risked more. This had to been like almost $800 or something, man. What would this have been? Hold up. 22 minis. Yeah, two minis on gold. And we're gonna do 20 micros. What would that look like? Yep, it would have been $800, guys. So yeah, I actually risked more than I expected to, man. It hit though, man. It hit my area, and then I did my take profit somewhere in here, man. I hit my other $1,500, man. And guys, guess what? That means that I've passed a Top Step combine, man. So we are officially going to get funded today. I made the $1,500 this morning, man. I'm happy and I'm excited and I'm glad, man. Like, gold is where it's at right now, boy. Like, gold has been treating me good, y'all. Let me tell y'all, man. I have been back testing gold. Gold looks really good, man, because NAS has been tripping, like I've been saying, man. NAS is finna get left behind. So yeah, man, we have lost my funded futures funded account today. That's gone. And we passed a Top Step combine. So we lost one, we gained one, man. I don't know how to feel about that, but you know, I really wanted to work on that My Funded Futures funded account, but you know, Top Step is where I got funded, so I'm like, hey, let's go back to them. Let's go with the bread and butter that helped us get funded. So we're back with Top Step, man. Y'all, gold, I don't know how many times I can tell you, man. It's like every trade that I've been taking on gold and back testing, I miss some, you know what I'm saying? Because you're not gonna hit every time. But most of my setups that I've taken are at least hitting a 1-to-1. And then everybody know once I hit my 1-to-1, I put my stop loss at break even. But here lately, I've been taking profit, back testing and paper trading on that 1-to-1. Because say for instance, I leave NASDAQ alone. I'm looking for like $200 to $400 a day when I trade. I want to trade. My days of trading on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm getting ready to cut Wednesdays out. Just so, you know what I'm saying, I can cut my losing out. So just trade Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I'm finding setups every day almost, man. It's like I really ain't got to rush. I ain't really got to force anything because gold is guaranteed to give me a setup, man. Because NAS ain't been doing it, man. So it's like giving me a new fire, a new flame, man. It's like putting flames up under me, man, and boosting me and pushing me and setting me on fire, man, to just keep pushing and grinding, man. It's like I've found an instrument that does what I wanted to do, man. Like if I just leave NAS and just stay with gold right now, and I aim for at least $200 to $400 a day when I trade, man. Top Step wants you to make $200 for 5 days, then you can request a payout. Man, if I just stick to doing this right now, man, it's like, man, gold is giving me exactly what I want, man. So why would I fool with NAS if gold is doing that, man? Man, let me tell y'all, I'm tripping. Cause I'm like, why y'all didn't tell me about gold a long time ago, man? Y'all just finally telling me, you know what I'm saying, man? Y'all could have told me this about 2-3 months ago, man. Yeah, we got a funded Top Step account. Well, when it hits the dashboard later today, it's gonna say congratulations, you are a funded trader. I'm gonna pay my $150 to get funded, and we're gonna leave Friday alone. I'm not trading Friday, so we'll pick back up next Monday, man. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this video, man. Make sure you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers that's getting ready to come out. If you guys haven't noticed, I am home today. My little one was sick. She's upstairs taking a nice little nap, getting her beauty rest. She's feeling a lot better. She's tired though, but I was at home today trading and stuff, man. And man, I'm just in a good place right now, man. We're gonna stick to the strategy. We're not changing. We're gonna stick to discipline. We're gonna stick to making sure we use proper risk management. We are going to not get greedy. That is my worst one, getting greedy. Get the money, get out, Corey. And what better way, number 5, is to maintain all those, guys. That's what we're gonna be looking for, and that's what we're gonna do, guys, man. Until next time, man, make sure you guys stay tuned, stay locked in. Your payout is coming soon. My payout is coming soon. In Jesus' name, man. We can do all things through Christ which strengthen us. Where that strength at? Show that strength. But I'll check your guys out, man. Deuces. I'll holler. Guess what, y'all? I said it already.